So we've talked about balancing the work life and family. We talked about gadgets. Now it's more about how we go about unwinding after a busy day in regards to favorite ways to relax and de-stress. I know, Alan, you were talking about taking your dog for a walk on that 5 kilometer walk on a daily basis. Is there anything else that you do to help unwind and would just allow you to kind of take a step away from work so that you're not always in work mode? Because I find that a lot of times we're always in work mode,
Yes.
but obviously there needs to be that separation. Is there something that you do aside from walking the dog or something like that kind of allows you to zone out and
Well,
really get your balance back?
yeah, I touched on it before. And cooking is actually my release now. At the end of the working day, I will go and make a meal, and it allows me to switch off entirely and just compartmentalize what I want to keep in my brain and get rid of the rest. And that's the hardest thing in working life. If you work long hours, you end up thinking about everything all the time, and you can't keep doing that. So for me, I'm not a Michelin star chef. I do follow recipes, and I just enjoy being told what to do, when to do it, how to make it. And that to me is really quite useful and de-stresses me a lot. It's something I've been doing for a number of years now, and it is a really good way of just work can go over there for a while, and I'm going to concentrate on this. And whether that can be a good book, it could be a film, all those sort of things. I know the dog walk and the cooking every day is my job. And I enjoy doing those because that is totally different to the normal day.